Good evening, everyone. I'm sure you guys are doing well. Every time I post a picture of a glass full of Bale Sharbat on my Insta feeds, lot of people write to me asking me what is Bale, what is it called in English, how is the Sharbat made. So I thought, in fact, I'd been thinking for a very long time of doing a video on Bale and showing you the Bale and also showing you a process of how the Bale Sharbat is made. But I think there's always a right time to do certain things, and you keep thinking things don't happen, and then suddenly you get inspired because of something, and then you want to do it. So yesterday our Honorable Prime Minister mentioned that we should be vocal for local, and that is something that has inspired me so much that I thought of doing this video right away. Now the reason why I say Bale is local is because I have a Bale tree right in my own house, so it couldn't be more local than that. So Bale जो होता है ये मेरे घर का बेल का पेड़ है. इसमें आप देख सकते हैं कितने सारे बेल हैं, कुछ ग्रीन है, कुछ येलो हैं. There are some ripened ones, there are some which are in the process of ripening. And ये बेल के पत्र जिसे हम बेल लीव्स कहते हैं, ये they are well known for their cooling properties. The Bale fruit is well known for its cooling properties, and that is why the Bale leaves are also offered for our prayers to Lord Shiva. हम सभी जानते हैं कि लॉर्ड शिवा का एंगर काफ़ी टेम्पर काफ़ी हाई रहता है, और उनके हाई टेम्पर को कूल करने के लिए हमेशा शिव जी की पूजा में बेल पत्र अर्पित किए जाते हैं ताकि वो शांत हो जाएं. एंड देन बीइंग द मोस्ट जेंटल पर्सन इन दैट स्टेट, ही कैन मेक आवर विशेस कम ट्रू. सो बेल जो होता है इस तरीके का दिखता है. इसको इंग्लिश में वुड एप्पल कहा जाता है. And when we break it open, you could hammer it or just break it open, and this is what it looks like from inside. Wait, I'll just show you. So this is the pulp which is inside, जिससे हम बेल का शरबत बनाते हैं. Now me and my daughter, we just sit with half of this and we just keep scooping it out and keep eating it. It is very, very tasty. It has a wonderful aroma to it. It is something which cools our system, and that is why गर्मियों में बेल का शरबत लू लगने से बचाता है, हीट स्ट्रोक्स नहीं होने देता. उसी के साथ साथ हमारे डाइजेस्टिव हेल्थ को, हमारे पाचन प्रणाली को बहुत लाइट रखता है, क्लीन रखता है. कॉन्स्टिपेशंस की अगर आपको गर्मियों में समस्या हो जाती है, तो बेल का फाइबर जो है कॉन्स्टिपेशन को ट्रीट करने में भी मदद करता है. एंड उसी के साथ साथ, बिकॉज एज आई हैव बीन रिपीटेडली सेइंग दैट इट्स वेरी कूलिंग, it is extremely good for our skin, because many a times in the heat we get this pigmentation and wrinkles, sunburns, or even people who have acne. Bale is a solution to all those problems. It also prevents graying of hair or premature graying of hair. So what you need to do is you have to scoop the bale pulp out. Okay, so ये हाथ से या किसी भी स्पैचुला से आप स्कूप आउट कर सकते हैं. जब आप इसको स्कूप आउट कर लेते हैं, ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज, नाउ दिस रिक्वायर्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ पेशेंस. शिव जी की कृपा आप पे इतनी आसानी से तो नहीं हो सकती, सो थोड़ा सा पेशेंस आपको रखना पड़ता है. एंड यू स्कूप ऑल दिस आउट, and then what you do is you add a bit of water to the pulp and just mash it. So it's best done with hands, and that's the reason I'm using my hands. It is very, very calming, very, very therapeutic even to do this. So इसको हमने wash कर लिया है एक बार, and then we just sieve it. ये मैंने काफ़ी I've sieved the earlier lot. As you can see the juice which is there. So you sieve this, and it's not always that all the nutrients, all the flavor, everything comes out in the first wash. So that is why I was saying that it is a process that requires patience. You retransfer it into the original bowl, again add a bit of water and mash it again. So this needs to be done 3 to 4 times, till you see the color of this fiber changing. So you, as you can see, it's dense reddish orange. With 3 to 4 washes, it becomes palish yellow or off white, and that is the time that you'll get to know that अब इसमें और juice नहीं है. So you stop washing it and you discard the fiber. Okay, so again you can just simply sieve it, and I'll just wash my hands right into this and show you the produce, the harvest. So you can transfer the juice or the bale sharbat as it is called. If you feel it is too thick, you can also add water to it, dilute it to the consistency that you desire. Lot of people also add sugar and black salt to it as per their taste. If you feel that the bale is not very sweet and you want to add sugar, it can be done. पर हमारे घर के बेल बहुत मीठे होते हैं, तो इसीलिए हम इसमें generally sugar या काला नमक कुछ नहीं डालते, and we just enjoy the natural flavors of the bale, local, right from the tree into my kitchen. So cheers to good drinks, cheers to thanda thanda, cool cool, our original local drink from my kitchen to yours. Keep well.